7 days, 10 minutes a day. This flat stomach challenge begins not with pressure, but with presence. Every breath builds awareness. Every move grows strength. No race, only rhythm. This is a journey to lose belly fat through steady, mindful motion. Stand tall, feel grounded. The body is ready. Knee lift, touch. Lift the knee, meet the hands. Stay steady and clear. Core awakens, waistline tones through calm control.
3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, stop!
Lift and jumping jack combo. High knees blend with wide open arms. Focus connects with flow, a standing abs workout. No rush, no pressure. Move smooth, breathe steady. Simple form creates strong rhythm at home.
3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, stop!
Jumping jack pulse. Keep moving. Feel the pulse rise within. Warmth spreads. Energy lifts the heart higher.
3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, stop!
Diagonal knee lift with cross arms. Cross arms lift diagonally through focus. Waistline carves shape. Movement feels alive. Power flows through motion, not strain. Momentum builds. Strength grows calm inside.
3, 2, 1, go!
Knee lift with open arms. Lift the knee, open the arms to space. Breath expands, shoulders ease, heart steadies.
3, 2, 1, go!
Cool down or stretch. Slow everything down. Find calm rhythm. Inhale deep, exhale soft, grounding focus. This beginner workout ends with balance. No fatigue, only centered, quiet strength. Progress grows through steady, mindful effort. Day by day, the Flat Stomach Challenge continues.